Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn Easy with Ejaz. I'm Sumayya Kazim. Today, as you know, was the third day of JKSSB Class 4 exams and पेपर देख के आपको पता चल गया होगा that almost same area से questions पूछे गए थे throughout these 3 days. So चलिए देखते हैं आज कौन कौन से questions पूछे गए और जानते हैं उनके answers. The first question from the section of General Awareness and Science is, who is the author of Godaan, which is considered one of the greatest Hindi novels of the modern Indian literature? The answer is A. Premchand. German silver is an alloy of which of the following metals? The answer is option D. Copper, zinc and nickel. Which of the following statements is false with reference to the digestive system processes in human beings? The answer is option C. Digestion is the removal of not the digested but of the indigested food from the body. Which of the following teams won the ICC Under-19 World Cup 2018? The answer is option C. India. India defeated Australia in this match. Another question is, match the puppet forms of India in list 1 with their respective states in list 2. पहला है कठपुतली, which is associated with Rajasthan. Then we have Kundai. It is associated with Odisha. Then we have Pavakotu and it's associated with Kerala. So इस हिसाब से हमारा सही ऑप्शन बनता है ऑप्शन A. Another question is, after the revolt of 1857, the British Parliament took away the power to govern India from East India Company and the title of Empress of India was assumed by. The answer is option D, Queen Victoria. The Winter Olympics 2018 was held at. The answer is option B, Pyeongchang in South Korea. Vitamins are substances that our body needs to grow and develop normally. The deficiency of vitamin K leads to. The answer is option A, excessive bleeding due to injury. And this question was just posted yesterday in our feed. In which of the following options is the chemical compound and its common name incorrectly matched? The answer is option D. Sodium hydroxide is commonly known as caustic soda. Which of the following is the best way to protect oneself and others from COVID-19? The answer is option D, wearing a mask. Lacha and Gucci are the forms of which of the following spices that is a prominent ingredient of the Kashmiri cuisine? The answer is B, saffron. There is one more form besides these and it's called as mungra. For all these details on saffron and more, you can watch our lecture 2 on biodiversity, flora and fauna. Identify in which of the following options is the waterfall and the river associated with it correctly matched. The correct option is option D, Dudhsagar Falls, and they are on Mandovi River. Likewise, Chitrakot Falls है on river Indravati in Bastar district of Chhattisgarh. Hundra Falls है on Subarnarekha river in Ranchi and Jog Falls are on Shravati river in Karnataka. Which of the following national parks is not located in the UT of J&K? The answer is option B, Hemis National Park, because Hemis High Altitude National Park is in Ladakh. Makar Sankranti is an important festival celebrated in most parts of India under different names. It is a. The answer for this question is option C, Festival of Harvesting. Makar Sankranti is celebrated in January every year. It marks the end of winter season and the beginning of a new harvest season. As of September 2020, the Indian doctor who is serving as the chief scientist of World Health Organization is. The correct answer is option A, Dr. Soumya Swaminathan. She is an Indian pediatrician and clinical scientist known for her research on tuberculosis and HIV. We have discussed this in our lecture on the World Health Organization. You can watch the video on our channel. Which of the following options is incorrect with reference to the famous fabrics weaved under handloom sector in the UT of J&K? The correct answer for this question is option C, rubbery shawls, because rubbery shawls are from Kutch, Gujarat. As per the Indian Space Research Organization, Aditya L1 will be launched from Sriharikota it would be India's first mission to study? The correct answer is option C, solar corona. Which of the following places is the capital city of Manipur? The correct answer is option D, Imphal. The Victoria Memorial, a huge white marble museum, is a famous tourist destination located in the capital city of which of the following states in India? The correct answer is option A, West Bengal. Victoria Memorial is in Kolkata, which is the capital of West Bengal, and it was built between 1906 and 1921 to commemorate Queen Victoria's 25-year reign in India. Indian Standard Time is the time zone followed throughout the country. It is the actual time of which of the following places in India? The correct answer is option C, Mirzapur. Indian Standard Time is calculated on the basis of 82.5 degrees east longitude, and the city of Mirzapur, which is in Uttar Pradesh, is situated approximately on the corresponding longitude reference line. Identify the incorrect statements or statement with reference to a light year. The answer for this question is option B, only 3, because the value of light year in kilometers is 9.461 into 10 raised to power 12 kilometers. Which of the following acts enabled the arrest and deportation of any person on mere suspicion of plotting and revolt against the British? The answer is option C, Rowlatt Act. Its official name was Anarchical and Revolutionary Crimes Act of 1919. This is one of the world's highest green golf courses, situated at an altitude of 2650 meters above sea level, and it was established by Sir Neville Chamberlain. Which of the following options is being referred to? The answer is option C, Gulmarg Golf Course. It was built in 1890. Who among the following Indians is the winner of Raman Magsaysay Award 2019 for harnessing journalism to give voice to the voiceless? The answer is option C, Ravish Kumar. Which of the following festivals does not typically belong to Kerala? The answer is option B, Gudi Padwa, because this festival belongs to Maharashtra and not to Kerala. Sanchi is famous in the world for stupas, monolithic Ashokan pillar, temples, monasteries, and sculptural wealth. The stupas depict the incidents from the life of. The answer is option C, Buddha. Identify the canal in the Kashmir region which draws water from River Lidar and irrigates the lands of Mutton, Dachinpur, Kavapura, and Anantnag. The answer is option D, Martin Canal. Who among the following actors were jointly awarded under the Best Actor category at the 66th National Film Awards ceremony held in New Delhi? The answer is option B, Vicky Kaushal for Uri the Surgical Strike and Ayushmann Khurrana for Andhadhun. To be eligible for the Arjuna Award, a sports person should have displayed outstanding performance at the international level for how many years? The answer is option C, 4 years. For more information, you can watch our video on our channel National Sports Awards 2020. The Mughals used to go to Punch using this route, and it is said that they had constructed a 7-storied building, Dum Dum, at this place. Which of the following options is being referred to? The answer is option A, Tosa Maidan. Which of the following tournaments is associated with the game of tennis? The answer is option B, Davis Cup. Similarly, Challenger Cup is associated with volleyball, Thomas Cup with badminton, and Stanley Cup with hockey. Mangrove vegetation prevalent in which of the following states is the highest in India? The answer is option D, West Bengal. Who among the following freedom fighters started an English weekly Maratha and a Marathi weekly Kesari, which were used as means to educate people against the British rule in India? The answer is option B, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The capital city of which of the following states is situated on the banks of river Ganga or its tributaries? The answer is option B, UP, Bihar, and West Bengal. While as Assam's capital, that is Dispur, is not situated on Ganga or any of its tributaries, it's rather situated on the banks of Brahmaputra river. On 30th October 1947, who was appointed as the emergency administrator for the state of Jammu and Kashmir by Maharaja Hari Singh? The correct answer is option D, Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah. Read the following statements and choose the correct answer. Both of these statements, if you read, are correct, and the answer for this question would be option B. The heat received by a person sitting in front of a fire is due to which of the following modes of heat transfer? The answer is option C, radiation. In 2018 Asian Games, Rahi Sarnobat became the first Indian woman to win a gold medal in one of the following sports. Which sports is Rahi Sarnobat associated with? The correct answer is option B, shooting. Rahi Sarnobat is a record-breaking 25-meter pistol shooter. She became the first female athlete from India to win gold medal in shooting at the Asian Games 2018, which were held in Jakarta. In 1756, who among the following rulers attacked the Fort William and imprisoned the British men and women in a small cell, which later became known as Black Hole of Calcutta? This question is asking about the Black Hole tragedy, and the answer for this question is option C, Siraj-ud-Dawla. Which of the following options is used as disinfectant to disinfect the personal protective equipments, that is PPEs, used by sanitation workers? The answer is option A, sodium hypochlorite. Thank you so much for watching. Please keep supporting and do subscribe to our channel. Wishing you success.